Good afternoon. So today we're tilling up the sweet corn patch. So we got about a half an acre of sweet corn that we're planting, so stick with us. So this should be about a half an acre of sweet corn. So we should get this tilled up nice, and gonna have to spread some nitrogen. So I got some urea that will spread, and rain's coming tomorrow, so it should be perfect. We'll plan on a couple days. So that's looking pretty good. So I think he's going to go over it one more time, and then I'll get the fertilizer spreader out, spread some urea, and then harrow that in. It's supposed to rain, so we'll see what happens. So we got this sweet corn patch all tilled up. So we just spread some urea, which is the nitrogen that the corn's going to need to grow. And now we're going to hook up to the harrow and harrow it in, as it's supposed to rain tonight, tomorrow, next few days, so should work out perfect. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe.